Guys, what's going on? Hey, so last time I informed you guys I got the key fob. I installed it, followed instructions, no start still. So we got to thinking maybe it's the VATS module. Thanks to Pro Rebuild, shout out to them. This is my original. Followed instructions, no start still. So we got to thinking what's next, and so we started thinking the ECM, maybe the next issue. So yeah, it's a little worn out. Then I got to open it up finally because I had to pry it open and seeing like this is a little corroded. So I'm hoping this is the issue. I'll keep you guys updated.